before we ride. Let me show you how we get it outside. Yeah.
I'm back on Roadie. So today, I was able to get a 23 stop route. It's supposed to be 25, but 2 of the packages were missing. So what they normally do is they just take those packages off your route if you have missing packages on your route. So I'm back on Roadie. And after I finish this route, the $77 route, I can start doing Roadie, or I could turn on the Uber or DoorDash app or Instacart if they have any good paying Instacarts, and do those apps after I complete this route. And this is why I stress on the channel to diversify what you do. Because if Roadie was the only app I worked for those 2-3 days I was down, I would not be able to have any work. And it could have been a situation where they did not reactivate my account, unlocked it. And it was interesting to go through the process, because I was on support the day I found out my account was locked. I go to the app because I want to do some more deliveries after I finish my route on Monday, and I couldn't log in. So I get on with support. They let me know why my account's locked, because 2 of the packages got switched addresses. And moving forward, I will make sure when I have more than 1 delivery, I'll probably have no more than 2, maybe 3 at the most. But I'll make sure moving forward, so this incident doesn't happen again, that I confirm that the address on the package matches the address on the app for that delivery, so that this situation does not happen again. But once I was notified through support that my account was locked, and that was the reason why I was locked, because 2 of the packages got switched, they emailed me about the situation. I let them know that it was my fault that the packages got switched, and I was going to confirm that the addresses matched what was on the app, and explain to them what I'm going to do to make the situation better, and also explain to them that the incident in question was 4 days ago from Monday. On the 24th is when the incident happened, and if they would have let me know the day it happened, I would have spent my gas and went to each delivery and switched the packages and made it right. But they told me so late that I couldn't rectify the situation. So I do blame Roadie for that, for notifying me way too late. But they explained that they got the report on Monday, not on the 24th, when the situation happened. So after I emailed them, I just waited. The next day, I contacted support again to see what the status was of the situation. And it was terrible. The wait time. I saw one wait time on there that was 60 people in front of me. Like, you got to be kidding me, just to get to support. But later in the day, I finally got in touch with somebody, and they informed me that the situation was resolved. and I'll be getting an email from the department that handles these claims, because I didn't take any of the packages, they were just switched. So the department that handles that was going to contact me, and I never received any emails from that department, even though the situation was resolved. So come yesterday, I tried to get in touch with support again after I finished my route. And come to find out, it had the same situation again. The most I saw on there was 40 people. I was like, nah, I'll just wait till later in the day like I did the previous day. So I finally got in touch with somebody. This was midnight last night. And this person, shout out to them in support, was able to unlock my account. Sent me a temporary password, logged in, changed my password. I'm good to go. So I'm now back on Roadie, and I can do that after I complete this route. And also the situation about the medicine, because they put the medicine in the same envelope, and because I didn't know about the feature until I talked to support that you could toggle on to save all pictures, because the area I was in at the time did not have signal. So if I was able to save the pictures, I could use that same picture and to send it for the delivery. That was 2 deliveries going to the same house that was in the same envelope. Even though I specified it through text to the customer that both medications were in the same envelope, I still didn't get the pay. But moving forward, I have the option to save all photos, so that way if I run up to a situation where there's an issue where I don't have signal and I need to send the picture, I have it on my phone already. Or if there's a problem, I can just resend the picture and have proof of the delivery. And this is why I stress that you diversify what you do, because there could be a situation where I did not get back on Roadie, that my account was permanently locked. But I'm back. I'm back on the platform. And because I had other work, those 2-3 days that I was locked out of Roadie, I was still doing VHO. And that's why I diversify what you do, so you can continue still making money while either you rectify the situation or you just don't get back on the app. You still have ways to make money for your GigEcon business. But man, make sure you check my referral link in the description down below so that you can get 15 cents off bonus on your first fill up. 15 cents more on your first fill up. Link in the description down below for my referral link. And I'll catch up with y'all next video or live stream, because I'm gone to complete this deliveries. And I'll see y'all next video or live stream, because I'm out like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll catch up with y'all soon. Peace.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through.